Many times, it can be hard to find the right person at the right time. Many search or directory tools exist, but require users to know how to use multiple applications and when to switch between them. This results in a disrupted workflow, barriers that make simple tasks take more time, and a poor user experience. A universal people finder solution, like the one being shown, helps to reduce wasted time and cost while providing an improved experience for providers, staff, agent, volunteers, and others. Cost savings from reduced time searching for the right person is a key benefit, but also saves times by integrating directly into collaboration tools. With just a click of a button, you can call, text, chat, or create a video visit with them. Overall, this can reduce training, support costs and time, operation and maintenance costs for applications and directories, all while helping your people find the right person at the right time.